Yes. Nathan, you're gonna be feeding, you're gonna go to the feeding area, safari gallery, big cats. Read oh. There, up there. Big cats, giraffes, antelopes, crocodile park, and terrarium. Let's go.
And terrarium?
Terrarium. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's let them stop us.
Ticket na tayo. Wait lang, baby ah. Okay, sa inyo na po yun, ma'am. Parang souvenir na rin po. Ito po yung pila ng shuttle natin. Every station, register po. Dahil yan po yung tatawagin kung sasakay na po tayo. Diretso lang po sa feeding area, ma'am. Yes.
Oh my God! Uy, lucky number! That's my lucky number!
Oo nga, 20.
Look at that. What's that?
Feeding area? What?
Let's go there. Go get the ano. Hingi ka. Dito. Dito, hingi ka. Nathan, what's that in front of you? That's a deer, anak. Let's go to the camel, anak, oh. Camel.
You want to try the camel? Actually, you want to try the camel? That's too big. Too big?
Oh, you get another, ano.
You get
Grass.
You ask. Just for another grass. Picture na kayo lahat. Come on. So you try the camel. Look, oh. They're not stopping. Come on. Ay, come here. So, excuse me, ha?
Dito. Ayun. Take a picture.
First.
Nathan, look at tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Thumbs up, Ashley.
1, 2.
Come on, thumbs up.
Nathan.
I want to. Daming picture.
What do you call that bird, Nathan?
Ostrich.
Ostrich? Oh, face na tayo. I'll take a picture. Okay. Nathan. 1, 2.
Lucas. Come on. Radon.
Ayun, pinarajis. Parrot. Oh, kumana huli niya. Ayun o, Nathan, go po. Doon tayo dyan o. Dyan o, dyan o. Oh, look o. Nathan o. Nakapon na siya. It's a big tiger. White. Lion pala, lion.
Lion sa loob muna. Come on.
You want to touch it?
No. Inside.
Oh, so many people. Sige. Group picture.
Hindi ko man ka ba?
Wait, this one. So big, no? Say hi, Nathan. Nathan, out there, oh. Tail of the elephant. Oh, what do you call that one? Rhinoceros. This one. I'll take a picture. Dito.
Right, that's rhinoceros.
Let's go to the hippopotamus, anak. There, oh.
Dito, Ashley.
There. So big, di ba? This way, Nathan, oh. This way. Dito, yan. Oh, picture. Nathan.
Dito, bakit ako na yan?
Are you scared? Oh, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I'm traumatized.
Traumatized? Oh, big word? Nathan. Hi. You call the tiger? Tiger! Rawr. Oh, take a picture na. Dito. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Food blocker. Bibig mo nang nagsabi, mag-Polydent palagi.
Nathan, no?
Nathan, ayun sa loob. Naiinitan din sila.
Wait, anak. You wash your hands first before you eat. But you have to wash your hands first. Tingin po dito. 1, 2, 3. Sabay mo. Smile ka lang ma'am. Hindi po na makakainin yung kamay nyo. Di matakot yung bata. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Step.
Later.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here, smile. Pati. This side. Yeah. Okay, next one. Ikaw, ma'am. Solo ka nga ngayon mo? Oh, its eyes are glowing, Nathan. The crocodile.
Ano ko?
Oh, kami na. Hey, go there. Salay. Ito no, look oh. Those are the crocodiles. Ay no, isa doon no, sa ilalim. Maliit lang. Oh.
9. Anong 10? Diba 10?
Oh, saan tayo? Tight. Tight, Nathan, tight.
Yep.
Nanay, tight.
Strawberry. I want the strawberry.